Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a mojito without lime. We'll explore several citrus alternatives that can perfectly replace the traditional Nimbu, ensuring your drink still has that essential tangy kick. You'll learn how to select the best substitute to match your taste preferences, creating a delicious and refreshing cocktail every time. Beyond the citrus, a great mojito relies on a few key players. Fresh mint is non-negotiable, providing that signature aroma and coolness. White rum gives the drink its classic spirit, while simple syrup ensures a perfectly balanced sweetness. Finally, a splash of club soda adds a delightful fizz, making it truly refreshing. Let's get mixing. Start by gently muddling about 8 to 10 fresh mint leaves with 1 ounce of your chosen citrus juice in a sturdy glass. Next, pour in 2 ounces of white rum and 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. Fill your glass with ice, then top it off with club soda. Stir gently and garnish with a fresh mint sprig. Making your mojito truly yours is part of the fun. Feel free to adjust the simple syrup to your preferred sweetness level. You can also introduce new dimensions by muddling in other fruits, like berries or peaches. A dash of aromatic bitters can add a surprising depth. Always use the freshest ingredients for the best possible flavor.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.